fell out. Well, this will be nice for a change. Say about on the boat. What's that? Another 1,000. Huge Benton bass. Remember when I said it was going to give me hope? Oh, it is a solid one. It's a 5-pounder, dude. Oh, yeah, it's a 5-pound. Oh, he choked it. He choked that shit. Probably going to get him. I might get him on the deck. Yeah, I can get him on the deck. That's a 5-pounder, dude. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. That's how it's done. Another big and falls for a jerkbait. See ya. A little danka. I wonder how many Senkos this guy's eating. I marked in the graph. Curl up. It's getting them to look good, isn't it? Actually can't even like hand them. That's it. Which might be a better one. That little guy again. Small, just hooked on it. There's a rock pile over here. I hope I kind of get stuck in it and I can get it out without going. There's a fish. Never mind. Better Smalley. It's a better one. Good job. Oh yeah, much better. Here at least. 2-pounder. Much nicer. For you. What's up, guys? We're out here. It got a little sunny now. We lost our cloud cover, so the bite's slowed down, but we're still out here fishing a deep hump. Throwing a blade bait around, trying to find some bait, see if we can find some smallies. Caught about 5 so far, 5 or 6. They have disappeared on us now that it's bright. I don't like it. Daddy. Hey. Dude, they're loving the warm weather too, dude. Yep. That might be a calico. Yeah, that's what it was, huh? Dinker, but I called it. Oh, little guy. Little guy to add to the count. Not big though. Pounder. Can you see it? Another one. Da-da-dum. Da-da-dum. A little cookie cutter. Pound and a hay. The smallest one so far. Still might be 12 inches. I fucking hate it. Just choke that thing. Too bad he wasn't 6 pounds. Not bad. Another one bites the dust.
Are you serious? That's the biggest catch of the day, dude.
Look at this wonka. We have to put this one in the box. I think we have to bring this one to the taxidermist. Behemoth. Armada of fish. And that's what the bass are following around, just picking off the weak ones. Like that. That might be that bigger one.
Oh, popped off.